Hey guys, today I'm going to take you on a tour of my box truck. It's a 2009 Ford E450. This was an old U-Haul moving truck. And if you've been a subscriber to this channel for a while and you're wondering what the going on, I'm going to have a separate video that's going to explain how we all got here. But for today, we're just going to tour the inside of the box truck. I've been living full-time in this for the past 2.5 weeks. And all this year, I'm going to be traveling all around the country doing e-bike events and anything kind of related to that. So let's take a tour. Alright, so it's a little windy out today, so we're just going to tour the inside for right now. But up towards the front, we have basically a pass-through to get to the cab. This is a 24-volt AC unit. I've got just closed storage, more storage on either side, and over here, just have all my electronics, Xbox. I do e-commerce for a living, and so I've got a label printer there. That's where I charge all my cameras. I've got a 42-inch LED TV, and this is the bed platform here. And that's Ted. And so basically this folds up into 2 benches. This mattress splits into 4 pieces, so you have a couch here, and then this is my shower that I have installed. So really nice to have this on the road. It's really convenient. I do have a Planet Fitness membership as well, but when all else fails, we use that. I've got a hot water heater. I sell e-bike parts, and so I have a handful of things that I keep at all times with me on the road. This is my e-bike that I travel with, and all throughout we've got awesome LED switches, or on dimmers rather, and so you can totally dim everything. It fades in and out. And I'm also into one wheel, so I've got those two. Here's my toolbox all the way at the end, so I've got pretty much all the tools that I would need to work on e-bikes, work on the van, do a few things here and there. I've got a bunch of outlets throughout, so this is kind of like my charging station for all my batteries. And then I've just got kind of grocery storage up top with the refrigerator. And then we've got the sink right underneath. And I really like this dual burner stovetop by Rec Pro. I've used this thing 2-3 times a day ever since I've been in here, and it was important for me to have like a fridge with true dual zones, like a dedicated freezer, and I have enough battery bank to power this thing for like weeks on end, so it really doesn't consume that much power. And this is really cool. This is just like a folding bench, so this is on a hinge, and that folds out of the way so you can get out the door. Right now I'm just in a little park here, kind of by Ocala, Florida, just hanging out for the day. And so that's pretty much it. The only thing we really didn't talk about much is the electrical. So right here I've just got a battery shunt, and this is my 120 and 24 volt distribution. So underneath this side, maybe one day we'll do a full electrical tour. We have 400 amp hours of 24 volt, and we have 1600 watts of solar. And so this really allows me to, for one, run the AC full time. I can charge this e-bike really whenever I please. One wheels, can run lights. I've got Ring cameras and a hotspot here going 24/7. And so that's going to be pretty much it. Like I said, I'll have another video pretty soon explaining how we got to this point. But if you guys have any questions on the build, anything that we used, shoot me a comment. We'll see you on the next video.